Hey folks, it's Catherine's Tracks Day 73, and I'm out here with the students from the Brevard Academy 8th grade, right? 8th grade? Yeah, 8th grade. And here they are. They're helping me out find Catherine today. So here they are. I'm going to let them say hello.
I'm Diane Pumphrey.
Joel James, teacher.
I'm Austin.
Amparo, Amber, Ashley, Megan,
Jacob.
And I'm Dixon.
All right, and Dixon's leading us off to start with, so let's go find that turtle.
I think it sounds louder right here.
I think you're right.
Henry does.
All right.
Are these great?
What do you think? What direction?
Somewhere over here.
All right, let's keep on going and see what happens the closer we get down to the bottom of this trail. I think we'll get a better signal the farther down we go.
Well, steel wheel rides the steel rail, and the rubber wheel rides the road. The ground underneath my boot heels burns right through my soul, right through my weary soul. Wildfire travels on a wayward wind through a field of broken dreams. Your memory flies through my restless heart on fallen angels' wings. And I wish I could have stayed, I wish I could have changed, but a rambling man is a rambling man by any other name, by any other name. Some men are made to plant their feet and stay right where they are. Some build their homes on the shifting sands beneath those shooting stars. Some bright and shining stars. A woman like you was born in love with the kind and...
Oh, hear that? That means we've passed her. But keep going around because it might even be stronger to the left.
We're close.
We're real close. Okay, now see it's fading out. Now come back and find the strongest center, the center of the beat.
Yeah, yeah.
I think you got it.
Yep. This way.
Sorry about that.
The faster you move. Run for your life.
Getting a good strong pulse there. Ooh, right up here.
Yeah.
She could be anywhere in here.
What up, Dan?
Nasty.
We're real close. Go right that way and let's see what we get. Now, I'd level the antenna back down a little bit. There you go. And everybody start looking on the ground. I would bet, wait, look, right here. What's that? There she is. We got her.
She plowed a little
She
bit.
plowed under this thorny bush. This is a multiflora rose bush right here. And she loves, this one turtle in particular, loves to hang out under these thorny bushes. Why would a turtle like to hang out under a thorny bush?
Protection.
Protection. Now, you just think about this, okay? An animal with an armored exoskeleton, basically, She's like a little armored tank. And yet, she still feels vulnerable, so she wants to hide under a thorny bush. So this is why they live so long. One of the reasons is they have a very strong sense of self-protection. So not only does she have a very strong protective shell, but she likes to hide under strong protective thorny bushes. All right, guys, that was a very good locate. Good job. And how many of you, is this the first time you guys have ever located a turtle in the wild?
No, I've done it. I'm just kidding.
Now, did y'all learn anything from this? I mean, we haven't done the data collection yet, but have y'all learned anything just by doing this? Is this something new that maybe it's going to make you think about wildlife a little different?
Yeah.
About maybe why they're here and how we can help them and how they can help us? Of course. Oh yeah, somebody here, please blow the horn and let us know that the turtle has been located.
Might be rusty. Yeah.
Okay. That's from eating all that spaghetti. Nice.
By any other day. Well, a rambling man is a rambling man is a